How to make chickpeas fingers. Add 1 cup of dried chickpeas in a glass bowl and 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate or baking soda. Soak them with water overnight. And this is the result that you get. They should be fluffy and soft. Wash and drain the chickpeas and add it into a strong blender. Then add 2 cloves of garlic and half of a small onion. Add a 1/4 bunch of parsley leaves and a 1/4 bunch of coriander leaves. Then 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Close the lid and blend on the highest speed until you reach a smooth consistency. Place the mix in a bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate and 1/4 cup of cold water and mix well until the dough comes together. On a medium heat, add frying oil into a shallow skillet or wok. Heat for 2 minutes. Place a small bowl filled with raw sesame seed next to the bowl filled with the falafel mix. Use 2 teaspoons to form a 3-sided falafel fingers in the manner that you see. Dip the teaspoons into the sesame seeds, one at a time. Then reshape the fingers to coat the sides of the sesame seeds. To test the oil if it's ready, dip a small piece of the batter into the oil. When the piece starts to boil and float on the surface, then the oil is ready. When the oil temperature gets ready, gradually dip in the fingers. When the dipped side's color turns brown, gently flip it to the other side and wait for it to turn brown before you take it out. Remove the fingers to a dry towel to take the excess of oil. Then place them on a plate. And now let's do the sauce. In a glass small bowl, add 1/4 cup of tahini. Then add 1 tablespoon of squeezed fresh lemon juice. Add 1/4 cup of cold water and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Then mix. And now the sauce is ready. Serve the fingers on a plate and dip it with the sauce. Or you can make it as a sandwich inside a pita bread with lettuce, tomatoes, and sauce on top. Roll it and eat it. This recipe makes around 20 fingers.